Look. Look the beauty of the nature. The tree full of flowers. Full of flowers. You see? All around here and there. Over there. You see? Over there. There are flowers. Lots of flowers here. Lots of flowers here. And over there, the tree is, what a beautiful flowers they are. What a beautiful flowers they are. You see. I'll be happy to see. I'll enjoy it. I must say you'll enjoy it. I'll enjoy it. The beautiful scenery of nature. So come out. I urge you all, my friends, come out and surrender to the nature. Surrender to the nature. Come to the nature. Come to nature. Do some exercise and be happy. Be healthy and happy. This is the only place where you'll get fresh air, fresh oxygen, the unlimited sources of oxygen here. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has plenty, unlimited resources of oxygen. He has been blessed. Yes, we are blessed to have some oxygen. If you see a patient needs oxygen, we buy a cylinder. We buy a cylinder to keep him alive. But here, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us all the resources. We can avail it. We can avail it and enjoy the beauty of the nature. Enjoy the beauty of the nature. Very beautiful, very beautiful. And come and join. Enjoy the beauty. Enjoy the beauty. Do some exercise. Do some exercise every day. Do some exercise. Have a fresh mind. Have a fresh mind and sound health. Sound health. Sound health. See. Lots of flowers here. Lots of flowers over there. There are lots of flowers. So come to the nature and enjoy it. Come to the nature and enjoy it. Really. Very beautiful, very beautiful. You see. Who doesn't love flowers? Who doesn't? I think everybody loves. Everybody loves. You must love it. You must love it and enjoy it. So come and join in the morning walk.